Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable push notifications in Ton Wallet. First, launch the Ton Keeper application on your device. Now, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for Notifications tab. This section allows you to manage your notification preferences. Toggle the switch to enable push notification. Adjust your preferences for a specific type of notification according to your need. Also allow notifications in device settings. Make sure that notifications are allowed for Ton Keeper application in your device settings. Go to your device settings application, Ton Keeper, and you will see notifications there. Ensure that notifications are enabled. After making your changes, ensure they are saved, then exit the settings menu. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and customize push notification in your Ton wallet, helping you to stay up to date on important events related to your wallet and assets. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.